Hello, Paul here from E&D Automotive Cayman, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 981 Cayman S with the actual. We had to remove the door trim out to fix the leather because it was peeling off. So you can see the leather's back together now. I think I've got it. Let me just show you what I mean. There you go. All this part here was peeling off already, so now I'm going to glue back together because this is broken here. See here? See that part there? See it more on this side here. See, it separates. See? Right there. That's common. It's a common problem on the actual 981, 987 door trims, because this part here, the plastic part, they actually holds on. It's like it's not even one piece. They've got it like a little small little. See how there's little cutouts there? Small cutout. If they made it a complete, if Porsche made it a complete part of the plastic with no little holes on there, this will be stronger, and there's not much you can do. Anything you can do is try to glue it on. So now we're gonna use plastic glue. I use Worth plastic glue. This one's broken as well, so we're gonna try to glue everything back together. See if I can move it around. It's pretty hard to do, so we'll try our best to glue it, and then I'll do another video to show you guys when the glue is dried up, and then install it. If you're taking the door trim off on this 981, remember you got to lift up, not pull out, lift up, because they got cutouts. And they got little arms here. Here. See the little arms there? They connect onto the little cutout on the door frame. Alright? Okay, I'm gonna use the glue first and then do another video. We'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.